join my next Japan trip. I'll be in February again in Japan, going to Hokkaido. So if you want to learn from me and explore together beautiful places, please come join me. From 8th of February, I'll be here again.
Okay.
Thank you. ありがとうございます。
About lens.
So for bird photography, because we photograph cranes and seagulls, you will need the telephoto long lens, 400-500 millimeter lens. It can be mirrorless system, it can be even your smartphone, but the smartphone must also have use telephoto camera like Samsung smartphones.